In this tech tip video, we will be discussing about multi-hole command in CATIA V5 R34 version. In order to use this command, make sure you are in Part Design Workbench. Multi-hole command is newly added command in the Sketch-Based Features Toolbar. This feature allows you to create multiple folds in a single operation. You can specify the position of the holes using points on the plane, sketch, or on a surface. MultiHole Tool is available in two areas. One is in Insert drop-down menu, Sketch-Based Features, MultiHole, and then the second area is in Sketch-Based Features Toolbar. Now we can select Multiple Hole command. Multiple Hole Definition dialog box appears. In the Extension section, let's select the type as, up to last as per this project requirement, and then enter a diameter value of 5 mm. Now, let's specify the position of the hole by selecting Sketch. And then let's select this surface. Now we can specify the hole position by selecting the point command, and then specify the location. One is here, and then the second point here, and then third one here. Once we specify the position, now we can exit from the workbench. Then in the Type tab, we can select the type of hole which is required. For the current project, Simple is required, so let's select Simple. And then once everything is done, now you can select Preview to check the results. Once you feel it is as per your requirement, then you can select on OK. Hence, multiple hole feature command is created.